Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay, so today we are continuing with the chapter classification of data. We were doing this chapter. Okay, so we'll learn how to make classes, right? How to make inclusive classes, how to make exclusive classes, how to make the tally marks, and how to finally count the frequencies, right? Now today we are going to learn how to make this inclusive or exclusive class when mid values are given to you and class length is given to you. Okay, so today we are going to find exclusive frequency distribution when class length is given to you and mid value is given to you. Okay, so there are many sums when it will be given in the question. So and so is the mid value, so and so is the class length, find the classes. Now what you will do is, if class length and mid values are given to you, there is a formula for finding the lower limit and the upper limit. Okay, for finding the lower limit, the formula for lower limit is mid value minus half class length, and the formula for upper limit is equals to mid value plus half class length. Class length, what is the class length? The difference between the classes. If the class is 10 to 20, what is the class length? 10. Why? Because 20 minus 10, the gap is 10. So that is our class length. If I want to find the mid value, what is the mid value? For 10 to 20, we have to plus 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 15, will be your mid value. Now there are sums when mid value is already found and it is told you to find the classes. Now we have to go reverse side. Usually what we used to do, classes were given, we used to find the mid value and we used to find the class length, because it is a simple. What is the class length? Class length is the difference between the two classes, that is upper limit minus lower limit. Right, but many sums, if it is given, the class length is given to you and the mid value is given to you, you have to find the classes. Okay, so the formula for lower limit is mid value minus half class length, and the formula for upper limit will be mid value plus half class length. Okay, lower hai to minus, upper hai to plus. Now, what I want you to remember is, whenever after finding this lower limit and upper limit, the class that you will get, you have to remember the class that you will get will be exclusive class. Means if you got the answer of lower limit as 0 and you got the answer of upper limit as 50, so 0 to 50 is your exclusive class, means your next class will be starting from 50 only. Okay, understood? Because we will get the class which is exclusive class. So always you have to remember, whenever we use the formula for finding the lower limit and upper limit by using the class length and the mid value, the class we will get, that class will be exclusive class. Many times what happens, what I told you, whatever the question is, if it is not mentioning you, you have to make exclusive or inclusive. Which class you have to make? Exclusive only. But if the question is specifically telling you to make inclusive, then only you will make inclusive class. As I told you, from this we got exclusive class. So from exclusive, can we convert it into inclusive? Till now we have learned conversion of inclusive into exclusive. For converting inclusive class to exclusive class, we have to minus 0.5 and we have to plus 0.5 from the lower limit and the upper limit, right? It was inclusive and we were converting into exclusive. Now here we got the exclusive class. Now we want to convert it into inclusive, so what will happen? The sign will change. Here it will be plus 0.5 and plus 0.5 and minus 0.5 from the lower limit and the upper limit. Is it clear to everyone? Very simple. Whenever we use the formula, whatever class we will get will be the exclusive class. If it exclusive class is asked to you, very simple. Don't change anything. But if the question is telling you to make the inclusive class, only in that case you will change it. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, we'll see a few examples. Okay, this question is given where mid values are given to you. Class length is not given to you, but you are set to find the classes. It's the exercise 2.1 ninth question. Just check the question. The question is given, the mid values are given to you, and you are told to find the classes. Is it mentioned over there to make inclusive or exclusive? Is it something is mentioned over there? Yes. What is mentioned? It is mentioned you have to make inclusive classes, right? Let's see. First, what we will do? We will first find the limits, lower limit and upper limit. Okay. Formula for lower limit is mid value minus half class length. Now we have the mid value 11.5, 21.5, 31.5, 41.5, but we don't have the class length. Is anywhere classes are given? Class length is given? No. Now can you tell me the gap between 21.5 and 11.5? 10. Is the gap same 10 between these two also? Yes. Is the gap same between these two also? Yes, same. And 51 to 51.5, all the gaps are same. This means all this 10 is my class length. And when class length is same, you don't need to find every time. Once you get the first class, you can easily assume that we have to take the gap of 10. Okay, fine. Okay, now let's apply the formula once. What is the formula? Mid value is 11.5 minus 10 into the gap was 10. Okay, what you will do? You will cut this. This will be 5. 11.5 minus 5 will be 6.5. It will be 6.5. Similarly, we will find the upper limit also. Upper limit is equals to mid value plus half class length, and our mid value is 11.5 plus 1 by 2 into 10. Okay, this will be 5. So 11.5 plus 5 will be 16.5. As I told you, you got the first class 6.5 to 16.5. But I told you before also, this class is which class? This class is exclusive class. And in the question, it is specifically mentioned you to make inclusive class. If it is specifically mentioned to make inclusive class, what we will do, we will convert it the first time only. Okay, because the class length is same, no need to do it again and again. Okay, if this is exclusive, if I want to convert into inclusive, I have to plus 0.5 minus 0.5. So plus 0.5 minus 0.5. If this is plus 0.5, it will be 7. And if this is minus 0.5, this will be 16. So you got the first class. What is my first class? My first class is 7 to 16. Okay, let's try the next one. If we get the series, you will able to understand what to do. Chalo, in the next class, the limit, the mid value, we will find. Again, find the lower limit. Again, find the upper limit. Lower limit is mid value minus half class length. Okay, mid value is 21.5. So 21.5 minus half into 10. 21.5 minus 5.5 will be, minus 5 will be, if it is 21.5 minus 5, then it will be, here it is 16.5, and here mid value plus half class length, that is 21.5 plus 1 by 2 into 10, that is 21.5 plus 5, 21.5 plus 5, that will comes to 26.5. Again, this class you got is which class? Inclusive or exclusive? We got exclusive class. We have to convert into inclusive. Plus 0.5 and minus 0.5. If we 16.5, if you will add, you will get 20. And from 26.5, if you will less 0.5, if you will less, then it will come 26. The gap was, class length was 10. Okay, 7 to 16. Whenever we find inclusive class, the lower limit and upper limit will keep on changing, right? Here it is 7 to 16, then 7 to 16. The next will be 17 to 26. Next can be 27 to 36. Very good. 36. Next will be 37 to 46. And next will be 46. How did we imagine this? Why? Because the gap was same. Yes, there was a same gap of 10. So we can make 10, 10, 10. Inclusive class, the lower limit and upper limit will not remain the same. It will keep on changing, right? So here it is 7 to 16. Next will be 17 to 26. Next will be 27 to 36. Frequency will change or what? No, frequency will not change. Frequency will remain as it is. Are you understanding? Yes. 2 steps to remember. Whenever mid value and class lengths are given to you, you can find the lower limit and upper limit. But the lower limit and upper limit that you will get will be exclusive. अगर नहीं बोला है क्वेश्चन में कि भाई आप लोग इंक्लूसिव फाइंड करो, तो मत फाइंड करो. इसमें बोला था. That's why we found out, right? If it is not said to you in the question, then don't find. Let it be exclusive only. Not an issue at all, right? If it is specifically mentioned in the question that you have to find inclusive class, find it. Yeah. Cleared everyone? Yes. Okay, very good. We'll see one more example. Now, tell me the gap between 105 and 25. Is it 55? The gap between 105 and 25? Yes. Tell me the gap between 105 and 25? 80, 80, right? Yes. The gap between 230 to 105? 125. The gap between 400 to 230? कितना है? 170. Then, next? 250 again? Now see, what we have learned is, in the last sum, mid value was given to you, class length was not given to you, but what we did, we saw the gap was same, right? So what we did, we just applied the formula and simultaneously we understood what to do. But in this question, can you see the gap is different every time? Yes. This clearly shows that you cannot assume a class length. You have to calculate this every time. Okay. Now first tell me, in this sum, this is the 8th sum, do you need to find inclusive class or exclusive class? Is it given in the question? Which class to make? Exclusive, not an issue, means whatever answer is we are getting, that only we have to take. So we have to find which classes? Exclusive. We have to find exclusive class. Okay, fine. We'll start finding it. Starting from the first one. Okay, we'll find the lower limit and we'll find the upper limit. The lower limit for the first one will be, we have to do mid value minus half class length. Okay, the mid value for the first one will be 25 minus 1 by 2 into class length. The class length is 50. Okay, the class length for the first one is given 50. What you will do? You will cut this 0 and this 25. This will be 25. 25 minus 25 will be 0. Okay, upper limit, how we will find? Mid value plus half class length. Mid value is how much? 25 and plus 1 by 2 class length is 50. Class length is given to you over here, see? 50. Okay, so 25, this will be again 25. 25 plus 25 will be 50. So you got the first class. First class is 0 to 50. Can I write over here 0 to 50? Yes, I got my first class 0 to 50. Let's find the next one. Again, same formula will be applied. Okay, we are finding the lower limit. Lower limit will be, what is the mid value? 105 minus half into, what is my class length? 110. This will be 55. So 105 minus 55 will be 50. Here we will find the upper limit will be 105 plus 1 by 2 into 110. So 105 plus 55, that will comes to 160. So the next class will be 50 to 160. Okay, we got our next class 50 to 160. Now twice I have done. Can I write the next one? No, we cannot write because the class length is also different and the mid values are also different. You have to find every time. Okay, let's see the next one. The next one is the mid value is given to you 230 minus half and the class length is 140. So 230 minus 70 will be, it will be 160, and here 230 plus 70 will be 300. So we got the next class 160 to 300. This will be 160 to 300. Okay, fine. Next, again you have to find the lower limit and upper limit. How you will find? Lower limit is equals to mid value is how much? 400. So 400 minus half into the class length is how much? 200. The class limit is 200. So 400 minus 100 will be 300, and here 400 plus 100 will be 500. So we got a next class. What is the next class? 300 to 500. Okay, next. Again, 650 is given to you. So lower limit is equals to 650 minus half into class length is how much? 300. So 650 minus 150 will be 500, and 650 plus 150 will be 800. So next class will be 500 to 800. Okay, last one we'll do now. What is the lower limit? Lower limit is 900 minus half into 200. 900 minus 100 will be 800, and 900 plus 100 will be 1000. So we got a last class as 800 to. Now just tell me, will the frequencies change? The frequencies will change? No, why to change the frequency? We are making the classes, right? In this sum, I have found out for all the classes. Why? Because here the class length was different. All the class length, this was 50, this was 110, 140, 200, 300, 200. So all the class lengths were different, and whenever the class length are different, you have to find for each class. Working note has to be found for each class. Okay, what did we learn? We learned about the conversion. We learned about if mid values and class lengths are given to you, how to make the classes. Okay, what did we learn today? From that, the classes that we will get, which classes it will be? It will be exclusive classes. But if we want inclusive classes, we have to convert it. And if it is not given in the question to convert it, what we will do? Remain, let it be however it is. Okay, do not change it. Fine. I hope you understood, everyone. Yes. Okay, fine. We'll stop for today. Okay, thank you so much.